How to sort number in ascending and descending order in Linux? Basically, we have a file, text file inside. We have placed different number. Let's get this file to read this. Simply get, and we have the file name sort.exe. Here we have just randomly type different number. Now to sort numeric data in Linux, we use sort command, and then for numeric we will specify n, and then we will write the name of our text file here. As you will see here, the number are now sorted order. Basically, to do a reverse sort in descending order, we will simply use sort minus n for reverse minus r, and then sort.exe. Here we have this one. Now as you will see, we will if we get original file, there is no change in this file. The sort basically shows us copy of that particular, not made change in the original file. To save this, we have to redirect that output to a new file.